In the bustling city of Lahore, Karim found himself at a crossroads in life. Between the concrete labyrinth of high-rises and the ancient bazaar streets, a sense of unease gnawed at his soul. One sleepless night, while wandering through the old part of the city, Karim stumbled upon an old mosque, its minarets piercing the night sky like beacons of lost wisdom. Karim's initial encounter with the mosque was serendipitous. Drawn by an inexplicable sense of calm, he entered. The air inside was thick with the scent of incense and the murmurs of prayers in the dim light. An elderly man, Ali, greeted him with a warm smile. Assalamu alaikum. Are you here for the Isha prayer? Karim had no idea what Isha was, but he nodded nonetheless. Over the ensuing weeks, Karim kept returning to the mosque. He became captivated by the rhythmic recitations of the Quran. Late into the night, he often found himself sitting on the cool marble floor, lost in thought. The Quranic verses felt like whispers of an ancient song, resonating deeply within him. Ali, noticing Karim's curiosity, offered to teach him. The Quran is more than just a book. It is a guide to life, he explained. Karim faced internal turmoil. Raised in a secular household, he had never seriously considered religion. Questions piled up in his mind. What is Tawhid? Who is the Prophet Muhammad? Why does the Quran speak to me in ways no other text ever has? These questions, however, did not go unanswered. Ali introduced Karim to a study circle at the mosque that met every Thursday evening. Here, Karim found a community of individuals with stories and doubts of their own. They discussed topics ranging from the unity of God, Tawhid, to the life of the Prophet Muhammad. As Karim delved deeper, he began to experience a transformation. His once troubled mind found solace in the teachings of Islam. The concept of Tawhid, the oneness of God, brought clarity and focus to his life. The stories of the Prophet Muhammad inspired him to live with compassion and humility. However, this newfound faith was not without its challenges. Karim's friends did not understand his sudden change. They mocked his regular visits to the mosque and questioned his sanity. His family was equally puzzled, especially his elder brother, Farid, who was a staunch atheist. Religion is an opiate, Farid would often say. Why chain yourself to such outdated beliefs? Karim struggled but remained steadfast, drawing strength from his community and the words of the Quran. Over time, his persistence began to yield fruit. His friends, curious about his unwavering conviction, joined him for discussions at the mosque. Even Farid, skeptical as he was, found himself engaging in philosophical debates with Ali. The mosque became more than a place of worship. It was a sanctuary for intellectual and spiritual growth. Karim's journey of faith did not end with his conversion. It was the beginning of a lifelong path of learning and discovery. He found purpose in teaching others, sharing the profound wisdom he found in the Quran. Through his unwavering faith and dedication, Karim not only transformed his own life, but also touched the lives of those around him.